monsoon, most of the people crave for fritters and tea. So here we have lobia fritters. Soak lobia overnight or 8 to 10 hours. Ground coarsely. Add onion. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add chilli flakes. Add carom seed. Add green chilli sauce. Add Asafoetida. Add salt to taste. Add breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs absorb water and the moisture. Add soda bi-carb. Give it a good mix. Heat oil and fry bite-sized fritters. Fry it till it turns golden brown in color. Now let's fry rest of them in the same way.
तुमने बताया नहीं कैसा लगा?
टेस्टी है।